Hey everybody, Dashboard here, and it's time for Car Show Cam. In this video, we went out to Starke to the Bradford County Strawberry Festival. And they also had a car show associated with the Strawberry Festival. It was kind of small. There were only like 20 or so cars that were there, but there were some pretty cool cars that were there. Unfortunately, it suffered from, I guess, weather the night before and morning of, kept people away. I don't know. But it was a good little show. So here's the video I took. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
Think $40. That's all I'm taking in.
Okay.
There's the car show, dear.
Yeah. Well, I had to ask.
Yeah. It doesn't look like it's much.
Yeah, well, it's fresh meat.
Yeah.
You pull up by that Corvette? I think I will.
Okay. But it says, hey, we're not showing, but you got to pay to show?
I don't know, Mom. We'll find out.
Okay. What? Okay.
Just feeling around for my cell phone. Not that
You're checking out your card.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold on, we're not staying. Here's our card and our ticket. Well, I guess it was worth it to park this close.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I told you what I usually do. I just pull up and park while I own the place.
You could have pulled forward, honey.
Not made that cut.
Okay.
I couldn't have.
I like her hair.
Yeah.
I need some of them for inclusion night, huh?
Good luck.
No. Somebody you'd think I was gay.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, getting ready to start
Go ahead.
judging the cars. So make sure you have your plaques in your windshield or on your dashboard. There you go. So make sure, and if you want to be around your car when the judges come around, that's fine.
Oh, he said put your plaque on your dashboard. Thought he was fixing to say something about your channel.
Maybe. I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm gone.
Yeah. Well, we'll be home maybe by 2:30. What the hell is this?
Funeral procession, maybe?
Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah, he's getting out.
Yeah.
Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.